No, that's it. That's it.
What? How can this be it?
Well, you can see the train, right?
Yes. I see the train. What about it?
And you have a parachute.
Got a parachute. What do you expect me to do?
Well, just, you know, jump.
Just jump?
Yeah.
I mean, Benji, it doesn't work like that. I'm not that high. There's ledges sticking out everywhere. I'm gonna hit them before the parachute even opens. Benji, even if I could get the parachute open, I don't know if I can make it across the valley and intercept and land safely on a moving train. Do you copy?
Yes! I copy! Look, I'm just trying to help you, okay? I need you to take a step back and pull yourself together because I am under a lot of pressure right now.
Just... What do I do? I gotta get away from this mountain.
Did you make it? Are you okay?
I'm trying to get away from this mountain!